Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, Virgin Galactic, SPCE. Well, the sad news is it's come into land. It has landed, and we said it would land at $1, and that's what it did. It went down, in fact, to 94 cents today. Let's see it come down, and let's look at the chart as well, and let's see what happened today. This is the moment that Virgin Galactic came into land. It's very sad as it touches down at $1. Cannot believe it. It's a great shame. It's very sad to see, but it's no surprise. I think the management have let the stock down. Now, question is, did you buy this today? You can see that we are currently down 5.65%. Let me just zoom in here, and you can see exactly that there, down 5.56% at the moment. The volume is 15.63, so it's up on the average today. So more volume coming in today, but selling. But since we went under the dollar, we've started to see some nice candles coming in. You can see reasonable about here. We went down as low as 97 cents. 97, it dipped way below the dollar. But what do you think? Now, remember, this is very dangerous now, because if it remains below $1 for a period of time, then it enters the world of delisting, reverse split. We never thought we'd say that with Virgin Galactic. I feel the stock is now extremely undervalued, extremely undervalued, literally 50% undervalued. I think this is an absolute travesty that we've now got a market cap of 404 million for a rocket company which has no competition at all. But it's no surprise. The management have done this. They've paid themselves in stock options. They've allowed for the stock to go down. They think it's okay at this price. But the question is, we had an interview a couple of days ago with Andy Shovel, who said he is seriously considering buying at these levels. The question is, has he bought today? Has he bought? Have you bought? We've got a lot of investors here. Zaxate is here in the chat right now, one of our biggest investors for Virgin Galactic. Perhaps, Zaxate, as I'm making this video, you could let me know, have you bought this today? Has anyone bought Virgin Galactic? I'd like to add your comments to this video. As we make this video, if you could comment, please, I'd love to get your thoughts. Has anyone bought this today? For me personally, this is of great concern. We've got our first comment here. We do have Craig, who's an investor. He has bought in today. So one of our investors has said, yes, I have bought in. Mark Saxby has said, Virgin Galactic is doing my head in. It is very frustrating. You got to remember, there are many companies out there you can invest in. We know how wonderful Virgin Galactic, the product, is. However, the management are awful, absolutely awful. They're okay with it being down here. I think it's a big mistake. It makes people think that Virgin Galactic is going to go bust. We saw Virgin Orbit go bust. We saw the previous Richard Branson business go bust. Richard Branson said he won't buy any more shares in it, which is incredible when you think it's only $1 too. No one seems to be stepping in to rescue the company. Institutions are dumping it. Retail investors are the only ones really holding it up, and they can get scared in 5 seconds and all run away. It's only 408 million market cap. It doesn't take much for this to go to 80 cents, 50 cents, all the way down. And then, of course, we enter the world of delisting. So what do you think? Do you think it's all over? Do you think we should be getting a little bit hot under the collar with Virgin Galactic right now? I think it's a great shame that we are here. Sadly, Mr. Richard Branson, Sir Richard Branson, isn't buying the shares. He's been to space, but he's doing no more. It's coming to land, and the door could well be closing. Or is it about to open? What do you think? Is it about to open? Is it about to pop up? Are we going to get any good news? Let's see if we've got any more comments in the chat. I would love for Zaxate to call in, as he is positive on Virgin Galactic, no matter what. Absolutely, I'd love to hear from him. I don't want to upset anyone, but it's now actually a very good time to buy Virgin Galactic. I agree. if you believe in the management. I don't. I believe in the product. I don't believe in the management. I believe that Virgin Galactic could get bought out. I think the Boeing situation is going to bury them. I think the technology could be bought out by somebody else and we could see the product do well, but Virgin Galactic not. And we know what happens when that happens. The shareholders get nothing. Just checking in, I added to space. John Granfor has just bought space. And as we talk about it, it's going up as we talk about it. What else have we got here? Who else is buying Virgin Galactic? Iberian Wolf is saying institution will only invest if they have trust in the manager ability to make something nice long term. That's it. I don't think people have faith in the Virgin brand, don't have faith in Michael Cole-Glazier, don't have faith in Eric Kearney at all. However, we're seeing it rise now. We're $1.03. What do you think? So leave me your thoughts below. I will reply to everybody's comments, and maybe you can join us on the next one and add your thoughts to a live video. Fantastic. There you go. What do you think? Virgin Galactic, was that the bottom? For me, that was too low. If you've got 50% undervalue, under cash value on the books, that means nobody wants it. If you've got a stock which is 50% undervalue of the cash on the books, you're getting the rockets for free, the goodwill for free, the customers for free, and no one's buying it. How cheap does it have to go? $412 million for a rocket company? I mean, seriously? Insane. Click above my head, down below in the description. What do you think? Was that the bottom for Virgin Galactic? If you just bought the cheapest stocks, who knows? Anything is possible. I hope so. I'd love to fly with the company. I want them to do well. It's been big. It's one of the biggest parts of the growth of my channel. I'm just so disappointed with the management, but I love the product. Is somebody going to buy it out and somebody else reap the benefits? Great. We'll get to fly on it, but will we make money as investors? Leave me your thoughts below. Till next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.